Katba Kiwei kisang san perthei kidang penkre shat na kabanta ka election MDC Henry na kaliang ka party Congress kalapan bana bakan ïaid Marwei na kabanta ka election district council kabansawan jong ka jala. Unang yalam ka Congress ubadeiru MLA jong ka Milim constituency uba Roni V Lingdo ulong baka party kanamdon kano ka jingya telok haswa jong ka election. Ulapan kan mauru baka day ka jingyo i jengay jong kinong yalam jong ka Congress kabala ay ka 6 schedule iya ka jala Meghalaya. Shushu ulapan pauru bagi kenhun seng bat ki block unit kila kam habaro kinriu peuteli ki constituency.
You see, that is the perception of the people. But when it comes to election, you see, now the issue of the candidate will be there, local issues will be there, and as a party, we will go to the people saying that, it was the Congress that gave us the schedule. Now, if, customary laws, usages, ownership of land, then the traditional way of governance still exists, is because the leaders of the Congress had foreseen right from that time that we need to have an act to protect this minuscule community, this minuscule population from being overwhelmed by the majority population in the country. So we are grateful. I'm sure we will highlight that to the people. And people will understand that, with the Congress, there is, security as far as a minuscule population like the Khasi, Jaintia and Garos can have. Maybe we need not work with anybody. Okay, we will go along and appeal to the people to, give us the support. We have always been prepared. Because as a party, we don't exist only to fight elections. Okay? As a party, we've been there, whether we have elected representatives or not, but party remains, and we have the organization that is, intact. And in all the 60 constituencies, we have the blocks, we have the organization. So we will go to the election, MDC election, with full confidence that the people will repose their faith, trust in us. The process will start once the elections are announced. Then we will invite, maybe much earlier also, we will invite application, and that will be done through the blocks, the block committees at the constituency level.